Let's lip Nika.
Alright. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, right, nice. Where are we going?
Hey!
I swear to God. Please, because all I have is leggings on. And these are Primark ones, they're not even like proper. Excuse me! What are you doing, Megan? You look like a cry weirdo. I swear these have no grip.
Good film.
Yeah. Hey sexies, look, it's just me and Megan, you know. Oh my god, skills. I can't even do that without like... Look, wait, watch me, okay? Why is that bit like... Is this like a warm bit? Oh no, Megan. Oh! It's okay, I'm okay.
After the camera. Can we make a snowman?
Yeah, but...